Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to implement a secure REST API with the Node.js. In the last video we have discussed the one of the method that is authorization, that is JW token. Now we are going to discuss some more methods on that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically now the another method is that is input validation. So what we can do the validate the inputs, right? So whatever the front end giving me the or the postman API we are sending the inputs like the username, email or the password, we can add the additional checks on it, like it should not be empty, it should not be that much characters. Okay, so for this how we can secure our REST APIs also, right? So we are not able to enter the wrong data into our input fields, right? So here how we can validate that one. So for that reason we have to use the express validator. Okay, so make sure you have to install the npm installed express validator. Let's try to install this. After the installation, let's update the auth.js file. Okay, so this is our auth. So here we are using the express validator. Okay, so if I go and check auth.js, we have middlewares, we have models, we have routes. Okay, so this is that one, routes, we have to update that one. So here we are using the express middleware. Okay, so let's update this. So what we have done over here, here we are using the express validator check. So while registration, we are checking the username is required. Check email, please include the valid email, and check the password must be at least 6 character length. If I try to restart the server and check node index.js. Okay, so if I go to the postman and trying to register, so here we have the post request API auth slash register, right? So it would be the post request and this is the body. Okay, so password would be at least 6 characters, right? If I'm trying to put this and let's put the millinator would be like this, what will happen? Okay, so you will receive the message, please include a valid email, please password must be at least 6 characters. So these are the errors. We can modify the errors and we can throw something like this other way, right? So here you can see because the email is not validated because at the rate milliliter is not there, and the please include the valid email and password must be at least 6 characters. So this kind of validations you can use into your project, or if you want to use any other validators, so you can also use the other one. Okay, so this is basically for the one part that I have discussed, that you can do the validations or input validations via express validator. There are many more that you can use, right? So yeah, you can update like this, and here you have to do the validation result with request. Okay, so you have to check the validation request. This is by default and you have to send the request body. Okay, so if there is no errors is empty, then you have to return the array, else you can go with the process with the registering the users. Okay, so this is how you can use the express validator or the input validation to secure your APIs. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.